Okay, this is a Chrysler Voyager 2005 model 3.3 petrol. As you can see, the air compressor for the air conditioning is let's say buggered, and what I want to do, because it's a 3-zone climate control system, the pipework to the back is rotten basically and leaking, so I'm just going to disregard the pump, air compressor pump, and I'm going to bypass it with a shorter auxiliary belt. Well, that's the plan, and let's see if this works. Okay, let's get the shorter belt on. This misses the pulley of the air conditioning pump. Also, I might take the air conditioning pump off, but yeah, it works. I'll give you the number of the belt for reference. Here's the belt number, 6PK 2000. I hope this has helped someone, and thanks for watching.